Did I say hi?
We will to collaborate in some field, for example, in Islamic education and Islamic da'wah. This visit was to explore or in promoting the moderate Islam. This Islamic boarding school is very, very big and very excellent.
There are several aspects that we're really amazed about. For example, the independency in the financial aspects and also factors. I guess that's really good and also cool. And then there are several things we can learn from this institution. And moreover, we can see the independency in developing and creating the curriculum. I guess that's a very unique and important aspect to learn. We can have a join in research, in education, and truly many things. And students exchange and also staff exchange and many other things we would like to discuss about that later.